On the morning of 24th January 2025, my wife and I prepared OPOS Dondakaya Masale Palya having OPOS app ID 11368. I cut Dondakaya, that is ivy gourd, into thin slices using the French cut. The cut donda weighed in at 291 grams, whereas only 250 grams were needed for this recipe. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric were mixed with the thinly cut dondakaya. 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste and 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut were measured out by my wife, who also prepared a tadka of urad dal, mustard and curry leaves. My wife also washed and chopped 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Thinking we were ready, we placed our 2-liter Neo pressure baker upon the induction stove and added 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of water as the first layer. The spiced ivy gourd was added as the second layer and was mixed up with the buffer. Finally, the jaggery powder, tamarind paste and moistened desiccated coconut powder were added as the third layer. The lid was closed, the stove started on high and so was the timer. The cook time is 5 minutes or 4 whistles, whichever comes first. Stop the stove at the 4th whistle that came at 3 minutes and 32 seconds and release the pressure. Open the lid and looked at the contents. The ivy gourd appeared to be cooked. The next step was to add spice powder, and it was then that I realized that we had forgotten to prepare it. I quickly closed the lid of the cooker to keep the contents hot and asked my wife to roast 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. I transferred the hot items to a plate to cool and then slow grinded them in a mixer. Opened the lid and smelt a fragrant odor being given out by the coarsely crushed dhania seeds. The cooker's lid was reopened and the spice powder was added, and so was the chopped coriander. The lentil tadka was added next and all the contents of the cooker were mixed up thoroughly. Wow! Doesn't our Dondakaya Masale Palya look great? We had it with chapati for lunch and with ghee rice at night and highly enjoyed its taste. The app recipe says that we can cook our favorite vegetable instead of dondakaya in this manner, and I am wondering whether bendi can be prepared in this method. In case you have any suggestions as to what kinds of vegetables can be used to replace dondakaya, please give them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless you all. Bye. Bye-bye.